What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 8th of April. It's Saturday. We're taking a look at Casper / Tether, ticker symbol over on tradingview.com. CSPR USDT getting a nice continuation to the upside here for Casper cryptocurrency. Let's take a little bit of a dive into the charts here. So let's take a zoom in. Actually, we'll move this over. Take a zoom in. Hope everybody is well. Thank you for joining us here on the channel. Thanks to all of the subscribers. So we have what looks to be support for Casper as so far today anyways. Today's candle is not yet closed. But so we have support you could see at the 0.415 level right here. So we had a little bit of a whipsaw action past couple days trying to get above that 415 level. And then so far today, it looks like it turned into support and we are continuing higher. Let's take a look at the 3-minute time frame, guys. So we got a little bit of a slow either internet or computer issue happening recently. Pain. So here is our 415 support. You can see we are basically trading in and around that range and continuing to the upside. So if we head back to the daily, let's take a zoom in here. So potential overhead resistance, guys, as the price, assuming the price moves up, it's been a while since we've seen the price above 435. So that is on the charts. 435 is this gray line right here. We traded above it in February. We traded above it in March. Here we are in April. Will we get up to it? Depends, but there is a chance of resistance at 435. We'll see if we hit it today. The price is up 2.88. RSI trending higher. If you look down at the bottom of the screen, the RSI is moving up. That is nice to see. Current resistance going back into March is at the 466. We did make it up to that level, which is right here in the circle. I think if we can get above 435, 466 is an important level. We've seen some major resistance there. Major resistance up there at the 522, 524. That's right up here, these two lines, as well as our 466. Next, a realistic place where the price could find a little bit of a struggle is up there at the 5.7. So, which is right here, this blue line, 0.571. If we took a zoom out on the charts, we have the 5, let's see here. That would be the 5. This low right here was support at the 5.7, and then as well as over here. It actually went a little lower, but very close to the 5.7, and then we have that major high over in here as well. So as the price moves higher, there's a chance that it gets to those areas and then finds a struggle. Maybe it consolidates for a while. Maybe it gets pushed back down. We'll see. This thing looks good right now, but it's going to find a little bit of trouble in and around that area because there's a lot of overhead supply. In the longer term, call it the boxing method, we are in this giant, basically trading range here. And we're nothing but right now essentially heading to the upside of this range, which is, roughly where that high came in on the 17th, I believe it was, of October. So that's up here. Like I said, it's right around that 524, 522 area. breakout above that takes you up to the 5.7. So we'll see, guys. We'll see if the price can get back above that, back above the 466 high, maybe out of this box range up into that 571. Things looking good so far for Casper, but you could see if we draw a box around all of this, you know, we have to get out of the current area and then back up into this old range. But I think Casper long term will do very well. Kind of depends on what Bitcoin does. If we take a look at Bitcoin, getting a nice little pop to the, actually, that is the wrong thing I was looking at. We are, if you watched the XRP video we just put out, if not, go ahead and check that out. We talked about the 28,249 level. Check out all these candle wicks, having a tough time getting above that. Obviously, Bitcoin doing good will help Casper. You know, Casper may buck the trend for a little while, but if Bitcoin really starts to roll over and head down to that 26, 25, 760, Casper won't be able to buck the trend forever and eventually able to roll over or at least trade sideways to down slightly. So keep your eye on Bitcoin, the 28,249. That's what I'm doing anyways. And then Casper short term, guys, is the 435. 435, which is this gray line right here. We're not quite there yet today. At this rate, we should be eventually. And then above that is 466. And then if that gets broken, it's way up here into the 509, 522, 524. That would be exciting to see. That would definitely be a new high, at least short term, getting above this high here in the circle and back up into this area. So things looking good. It's nice to see the trend heading higher after this double bottom took place here right off one of our 334 support levels. You guys have a great Easter weekend. It's Saturday. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on Casper. Go ahead and share this video with your Casper friends, family, and fellow investors. Hit that thumbs up. Join us here on the channel. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Go ahead over and check out that XRP video for some short-term, realistic, both to the upside and to the downside XRP targets. All right, guys, take care.